In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2019 Ford F-150 fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle, and how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Power distribution box. The 2019 Ford F-150 power distribution box organizes and protects key electrical circuits, such as those for the engine, lights, and auxiliary systems. It houses relays and fuses to prevent overloads and electrical faults. Accessible placement allows for quick maintenance and troubleshooting. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The 2019 Ford F-150 passenger compartment fuse panel safeguards interior circuits for features like the radio, climate control, and power windows. Conveniently located, it prevents overloads and allows quick fuse changes.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on 2019 Ford F-150 fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.